Want more orders? We fund your Google Shopping ads with our money. You only pay for results on every order we generate. That's it. Our Shopify app is a game changer, and here's the best bit: no orders, no charge. Yep, no orders, no charge. So what do you need to do now? Step 1, install our app. Step 2, set a monthly order value goal. Step 3, agree to usage-based billing. That's it. What do we do? Well, loads of stuff you don't have to. And what do you get? More orders. Let's give an example. You install the app and set your goal. We sell some trainers for 100 pounds. You pay us 12 pounds, that's 12% commission on the basket value, minus shipping for the orders we generate up to the monthly order value goal you set. No hidden fees, no upfront charges, and remember, no orders, no charge. So join thousands of Shopify merchants who trust us to run their Google Shopping ads, like Health Farm, who sit back whilst we generate over 2,500 orders worth over 120,000 pounds every month. Just click the button and install the app today. Order Legend. Fund your Google Shopping ads with our money.